And the World Cup final has begun. He takes a shot from distance. And the World Cup final dectarataving. They are moving forward. And the World Cup final dectarataving. 10 seconds left. Here comes the final attack.
Pass it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No! Come on, work! Please work.
Come on.
Put them over there. You got it.
Today is the match.
You got it.
The big match.
Perfect. Today is the match.
Today is the big match. We can win. I know we can win. Adam! Are you watching the match tonight? Of course! I will not miss it. We are going to watch it at Sammy's house. There will be a big screen. A big screen? Yes, and snacks too. I'm coming! Save me a seat! Don't be late! Wearing this jersey made me feel unstoppable. Good morning, Mom! Good morning, Dad!
Good morning, Adam.
Good morning. Ready for the big match?
I'm gonna win!
Tonight, millions of fans will watch this important World Cup match. A match full of hope, pressure, and
Did you hear that? Millions of people!
And we are one of them.
He takes the ball past the defender. He shoots.
But first,
Scores!
eat your
What a
breakfast.
spectacular goal by number 12.
Dad, will you watch the match with us?
I hope so.
You have to watch it. This is not a normal match.
I know. This is a World Cup match.
In my mind, the whole day was already planned. I would meet my friends. I would sit in front of the big screen. And when our team scored, I would shout louder than everyone.
Are you all right?
I am fine.
Dad, you don't look well.
I told you, I'm fine. I have to go to the shop now.
Dad!
Are you all right?
Fine. I just stood up too quickly.
You are burning up.
I'm only tired.
You have been saying that for 3 days. Sit down.
There is work to do.
You cannot go to work like this.
I need to open the shop.
now.
The shop cannot stay closed.
Your health is more important than the shop.
Today will be busy. People will buy drinks and snacks before the match.
We need the money,
And we need you to get better.
but we still have bills to pay. I will rest for a little while.
No, you need to stay home today.
But who will open the shop?
Maybe I can help?
No, Adam. Today is the final. You have been waiting for this match for weeks.
The match does not start until 8. I can help for a few hours. Maybe you will feel better by then.
Adam, I do not want you to miss the final because of me.
I will not miss it. I will work until 7. Then I will close the shop and go to Sammy's house.
What if I do not feel better by then?
Then we will decide later.
Adam, you do not have to do this.
Someone has to open the shop.
Just rest, Dad.
All right. But call me if you need anything.
I promise.
Thank you, son.
Adam,
I'm okay. Okay. Just a few hours.
Busy day, Adam?
A little.
Everyone is preparing for the final. My whole family is coming. We have a huge television.
That sounds nice.
2 bags of chips, please. Are you watching the match here?
No, I am closing early.
You better hurry. Nobody should miss this final.
plenty of time.
All right, kid. Your father ordered these this morning.
They were supposed to arrive at 4.
The streets are busy because of the final.
Adam! Why are you still here?
My father is sick. I have to help at the shop.
But the match starts soon.
I know.
Come to my house. My father moved the big television into the living room.
I cannot leave yet.
Your father can open the shop later.
He needs to rest.
You might miss the final.
I will finish before it starts.
I hope so. We will save you a seat.
Thanks. Dad. Feel better soon.
He passes it forward. Great chance for the young striker. He shoots. What a spectacular save.
I'm going to miss the beginning. What was that? I forgot about you. Grandpa's old television.
Come on.
Come on.
Please work.
And he takes the handoff, breaks through the line. He's at the 40, the 30, tackled at the 25-yard line.
Yes!
And the World Cup final has begun. And the World Cup final decorating.
Adam, I need a bottle of water. Is that your grandfather's old television?
You recognize it?
Your grandfather and I watched many matches on this television.
Did your team win?
Usually, no. But we always enjoyed ourselves.
Are you staying?
I can see the ball. That is enough. Pass the ball! Pass it! He cannot hear you. That explains why he keeps making mistakes. A few minutes before, I had been sitting here alone. Then Mr. Kareem came, and somehow everything started to change.
Hey, come inside. You can see better from here.
What is the score? Still tied. I will watch for 1 minute. Maybe 2. Every time the bell rang, someone else stayed. 1 became 3. 3 became 10. And somehow, the shop I wanted to escape from became the one place nobody wanted to leave.
Adam, 1 bottle of juice.
Are you expecting me to drink this?
Sorry.
Wide open for the shot.
You thought he would be alone.
So did I.
Dad, are you feeling better?
A little. What happened here?
I turned on the television. Then they just kept coming.
What a pass! He is wide open for the shot.
Yay!
Pass it! Pass the ball!